A grand mansion stood at the heart of the city. Inside, Mr. Rajan, a wealthy businessman, hosted a lavish party. The guests, dressed in fine clothes, laughed over expensive wine, discussing investments and vacations. To them, the world was an opportunity, one they controlled from the comfort of their luxurious lives. Outside, under the glow of streetlights, stood Ramesh, a rickshaw puller. He waited near the gate, hoping to get a passenger. He watched the people inside, their easy smiles, their carefree chatter. To him, the world was a struggle, a daily battle for survival. A boy from the party, bored of the conversation, wandered outside and struck up a conversation with Ramesh. "Do you ever dream of being inside?" he asked. Ramesh smiled. "I dream of having enough so my children don't have to wait outside." Inside, Rajan laughed at a joke, unaware of the quiet wisdom beyond his gates. Two worlds side by side, one seeing the world as a playground, the other as a battlefield. Neither truly understood the other, yet both coexisted, separated only by the invisible wall of perception.